Hello student, very good morning.
Good
Good morning, sir.
Student, today we are going to see one very good question of simultaneous equation. And this question we have taken from the practice paper. You have to find the value of x and y. Clear? So here, solve the following simultaneous equations. And what is given? Because ax plus by is equal to a minus b, and bx is equal to what? Ay plus a plus b. So what do you feel that this question is very difficult? No, this is very easy question. Let us see how you will solve. To start the solution here, first we'll write ax plus by is equal to a minus b. This will be what? Equation number 1. And now what you will write? Second equation, bx. Now transfer this ay to left hand side, so this will be minus ay, and this is equal to a plus b, and this equation number 2. Now we know how to solve the simultaneous equation. Again here what we will do, if you want to eliminate, if you want to cancel out the variable either x or y, so you have to make their coefficient equal. Now here if you want to cancel the variable y, it means that the coefficient of variable y should be equal. Now here the coefficient of y is what? B, and in the second equation the coefficient of y is a. So just cross multiply, means you will multiply equation 1 by a and equation 2 by b. So when you multiply, so write the multiply equation 1 by a and equation 2 by b. Why we are multiplying equation 1 by a and equation 2 by b? Because to make the coefficient of y equal. Let us multiply now. So this will be what? A into a square x. This will be plus aby, and this is equal to a times a minus b. Second equation, this will be what? B square x minus this will be what? Aby, and this is equal to what? B times a plus b. So when you multiply equation 1, so you will get equation number 3. When you multiply equation 2 by b, you will get equation number 4. Now what you will do, you will add equation 3 and 4. So write adding equation 3 and equation 4. When you will add equation 3 and equation 4, so plus aby and minus aby will cancel out. Clear? What you will get then? Then we will get a square x plus b square y, and this is equal to a square x plus b square x also. You are adding now, you will get a square x plus b square x is equal to what? A square, just multiply a square minus ab plus, here you will get ab plus b square. So left hand side you will add, so a square x plus b square x. Similarly this y is cancel out, so you get right hand side, so multiply a square minus ab plus b into b square. So this plus ab and minus ab again will cancel out. And here what is common? X is common, so take x as a common, so you will get what? A square plus b square, and this is equal to what? A square plus b square. And therefore what will be x? So x will be a square plus b square divided by a square plus b square. Now same divided by same, what will be the answer? 1. So therefore you will get what is x? X is equal to 1. After cancelling you will get x is equal to 1. Now put x is equal to 1 in equation 1. to get the value of y. So what equation 1? Equation 1 is what? Ax plus by is equal to a minus b. So I'll write ax plus by is equal to a minus b. What is x here? X is 1. So we'll put a into 1 plus by. This is equal to a minus b. Therefore, by is equal to a minus b. A ones are a. Transfer to right hand side. So this becomes minus a. Right? So when we transfer these, so we get minus a. So this plus a and minus a will cancel out. Therefore, what will be y? So y is equal to minus b divided by
B.
b. So again b and b is cancel out. So you get here minus
Minus
1.
one.
Therefore, the value of y is minus 1. So finally, what you will write? You will write the solution of the given simultaneous equation is x is your 1, y is minus 1. So answer is what? 1 comma minus 1. So write the answer. Solution is minus 1 comma 1. So okay students,
Ulta.
what is x? X is 1, sorry, 1,
Minus.
and this is what? Minus 1. So x is 1 and y is minus 1. Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay students, so next question we will discuss in next video. Have a nice day.